It's Mocktail Monday, and today we have a wintry punch from the past. Hello and welcome to Mocktail Monday at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. The holidays may be over, but the cold weather has settled in for the duration. So today we're serving Snowman Punch from 1959's Betty Crocker's Frankly Fancy Foods recipe book. To make it, all you do is combine 1 ounce of water, 2.5 ounces cranberry juice cocktail, 1 ounce lemon juice, 1 ounce orange juice, 2 teaspoons sugar, 2 cloves, and a small cinnamon stick. Simmer on the stovetop for 5 minutes, cool, and serve over ice. Time to start shoveling that snow. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to tune in Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern for another Liquored Up live broadcast. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.